Thank you so much for being here. It's our first time here sa Eton City, here at Laguna. Thank you so much for having us. Kami ang Better Days. Sana ma-enjoy niyo yung Blind Box setlist namin for tonight. Na-enjoy niyo ang The Vowels. Sana ma-enjoy niyo ang amin. At mas mag-enjoy pa tayo mamaya sa mga susunod na acts. Alright. Ala, grabe talagang ano. Sino ba pumili last time? Ikaw? Okay, so ako na. Okay.
Pop Mart.
Yung gitna yung kukunin ko. Okay. Alright guys, grabe. Personalized talaga, no? May mukha pa namin. Thank you, thank you. Okay. Natatakot ako. Ba't ako kinakabahan?
Baka hindi mo na-practice yung
Hindi ako
mauna, no?
nag-practice, guys. So, ayan. Okay, ano yung setlist sa loob? Oh my gosh, may letter B. Ano yung letter B? What happened, Bell? What happened, Bell? Okay. Set B. Only... Okay, sige.
Tignan na lang natin.
Alright.
Wait lang.
Alright, guys. By the way, that's Nims on keyboard.
Hello.
And I'm Nigel. We're Better Days, the duo. Thank you so much. Enjoy this night. Gabe. So I've been thinking the way things are lately. I wanted to call you, say that I'm sorry. For all the times I made you feel the hurt, but you made me feel it too. And I know you know that I've been trying all this time, but I've already thought it through. It's true. It feels like I'm the only one in love. So I'm the only one in love. I'm the only one in love. I'm the only one in love. Now try to remember where it went wrong. I'll paint a picture. No. Maybe even a song. Yeah. You know it's something I'm not making up. I wanna keep you here. I feel so I'm the only one in love. I'm the I'm the only one in love. I'm the only one in love. I'm the only one in love. I'm the only one that I'm the only one in love. 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 I'm the only one in love.
Thank you.
Thank you. Grabe. So yun, title ng song na yun, Only One in Love, para sa mga nasa one-sided relationships dito. O yung mga may nililigawan pero hindi naman nire-reciprocate nung nililigawan nila.
Awit!
So, stream nyo na lang kung feel nyo. Medyo masaya naman yung vibes ng song. So, kung medyo nababad trip kayo, tapos gusto nyo ng medyo wala lang,
Papalitan
pampa-vibes lang. Kahit bad trip kayo. Bad trip ako pero the only one in love. Stream nyo na lang. So yun, original namin yun. Next song namin ay title na to, Babe. And What Happened Vela. Meron kasing ano dito meron pumunta dito sa gig na to. Tapos may voice over kasi yung intro ng song. Tapos inedit niya na ilagay yung
See what happened?
yung voice niya, yung monologue niya doon, ng What Happened Vela? Why you crying again? Nilagay niya doon. So parang nagkaroon ng effect. Di ko sure kung gagawin ko ngayon. Tingnan natin, baka di ko mood eh. So itong song na to, itong Babe, sinulat to ng manager namin. Actually, sinulat namin magkakasama sa studio. Tapos, sinulat namin to, nasa idea na parang, alam mo yun, may crush ka, may minamahal ka, pero parang, alam mo yun, hindi mo maamin sa kanya. So parang na-stuck kayo dun sa phase na parang, may nararamdaman na kayo, pero parang siguro inaantay ka niya umamin, ganun. So, para to dun sa mga may minamahal, pero mga hindi pa umaamin, hindi marunong umamin. Kung tulad niyo ako na single na hindi pa marunong umamin, baka pwede niyo akong turuan. So anyway, this is Babe. And enjoy. I've missed too many chances. I've been wanting to tell you something, but I just want to say, mahal kita. Isa pa. Pinagmamasdan lagi kita. Sa araw-araw laman ng isipan. Kahit ano pang pagdadaanan, ikaw lang, wala nang iba. Pero paano ko ba aaminin ang lahat ng nasa aking isip? Sasabayan, sasamahan hanggang sa magdamag. Paano ko ba aaminin? Pero paano ko ba aaminin Medyo excited ako dun. Naunahan ko yung timing. Ayun, pero yun yung Babe. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Kung nakaka-relate kayo, you guys can listen to all of our other songs as well. Medyo ganun yung vibe, mga ano kami, mga sad boy. Mga hindi nakuha yung gusto namin sa pagmamahal. Pero yun, that's why we make music. Sana nagustuhan nyo yun.
This next song, actually most ng i-plug na rin namin. Yung first two songs na pinerform namin is part of an EP. So if you guys have time, habang pauwi kayo, and pakinggan nyo yung EP namin, give it a shot. This next song is also part of the EP. Titled neto, "My Could Have Been." Para to sa mga kasi alam nyo yung, wait lang. Sorry. Pero alam niyo yung yung usually kapag may mga bagay na na hindi mo naman maaabot, parang tanggap mo na, yung mas masakit yung muntikan mo na makuha tapos hindi napunta sa iyo. Ayun yung mas masakit, yung may paasa, 'di ba? Yeah. So this song is all about that. Yung yung pupunta kang Jollibee tapos wala silang Thai part. Ang lungkot, 'di ba? So magsisettle ka na lang sa leg part. Pero yan, this song's "My Could Have Been." Enjoy kayo.
Feeling all alone inside my mind. All the things that I would like to try. 'Cause I can never look at you the same. Unpredictable you were that day. Nervous even after all this time. Even when our hands were intertwined. 'Cause I can feel your hair where we would be. Though your touch never stayed on me. 'Cause even if you go, there's nothing I can do about it. I guess it goes to show how my heart's so undecided. You can take it all away from me, the future that I want so desperately. But now it's time to go. I could have been. I remember feeling all too well the arbitrary way of how you felt. Like the humid air, it stuck to me. The way you made me smile so easily. 'Cause even if you go, there's nothing I can do about it. There's nothing more to show. Because my heart's so undecided. Please don't take it all away from me, the future that I want so desperately. But now it's time to go. I could have been.
Beso.
Thank you very much. Pansin ko lang no, yung mga ano, the first song kasi ano, I wrote that too. Ang lulungkot ng mga scenarios pero ano, very happy yung beat. Ano siya? Ano siya? Blissful ignorance. Wag niyo na lang isipin, di ba? Mangyayari na lang siya. But yeah, thank you very much again sa inyong mga nandito to support and to watch us. If you guys are taking pictures, videos, follow nyo kami. Marami pa kami mga balak ng mga ganitong blind box. So, if you guys want to follow our socials, Better Days Tour, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok rin, ayan. Follow nyo kami. Follow nyo na rin yung mga bands na tututok
Fans na kasama namin, mga malulupit. O nga, mamaya yung Heiju, no? Yan, no? Nagpapainit, no?
Oh yeah.
Pag ano, nakita nyo sila, guys, ano?
Super Saiyan.
Parang nagsusuper saiyan sila. Nag-charge pa rin sila ngayon. Nag-charge pa sila ngayon, pero mamaya. Kailangan i-match nyo din, so dapat ngayon mag-charge na din kayo sa set namin. Tapos may susunod pa dun after that. Yun, mas ano yun. Super Saiyan 6 yun. Anyway, this next song is acoustic lang to, tutugtugin namin. And pa-mellow down na. So, title nito, Just Say Yes, para sa mga mahilig mag-aya sa date. May mga ano ba dito? May mga nagde-date dito ngayon.
You know?
May mga inaya. Tapos umoo.
Ay, wala.
This one's titled Just Say Yes. And yan, pag inaya kayo sa date, tapos okay naman, huwag na kayo magdalawang isip, just say yes. Let's go. Kulang ang oras, basta't kasama ko, mundo ko'y nag-iba. Di ka pipilitin, hanggang masanay ko, di ako bibitaw. Dadalhin kita sa mga lugar na bago sa'yo. Sasamahan ka kahit saan ka pa magpunta ngayon. Kahit mundo'y masungit, hawakan ang kamay, tayo ay maglalakbay. Lagi mong iisipin, lahat ibibigay, minsan lang sumasablay. Dadalhin kita sa mga lugar na bago sa'yo. Sasamahan ka kahit saan ka pa magpunta ngayon, kahit sa Just say yes, babe. Just say yes, babe. Just say yes, babe. Just say it now. Just say yes, babe. Just say yes, babe. Just say yes, babe. Just say it. Dadalhin kita sa mga lugar na bago sa'yo. Sasamahan ka kahit saan ka pa magpunta ngayon. Dadalhin kita sa mga lugar na bago sa'yo. Sasamahan ka kahit saan ka pa magpunta ngayon.
Just say yes, babe. Just say yes, babe. Just say yes, babe. Just say it now. Just say yes, babe. Just say yes, babe. Oh, just say yes.
Thank you. So yun, halatang walang practice. Pero okay lang, natapos na yung kanta. Anyway, that's Just Say Yes, and those were our originals. Actually, lahat ng songs tama ba? Yes, lahat ng songs na tinugtog namin at yung huli namin itutugtog ay original. So you guys can find us sa digital streaming platforms. Kung ano man ginagamit niyo, YouTube. Sa YouTube may lyric video. So kung gusto niyo aralin yung lyrics ng songs namin, and punta kayo YouTube. Kung nagsa-Spotify kayo, Apple Music, or kung ano man yung ginagamit niyo, nandun din kami. So hanapin niyo na lang kami, stream niyo kami. And ayun, gusto namin sa inyo magpasalamat. Thank you so much sa yung mga fans namin. Tawag namin sa kanila sikat. Kung gusto niyo sumama, pwede rin kayo sumama. Pero meron mga nandito ngayong gabi, so shoutout ko lang. Sila,
Hey, thank you very much.
Sila Bri, tsaka sila Mikhail, sila Jawad, sila... Si Jawad, tama ba? Jawad, di ba? Ayan, sorry. Ayun ang tingin ko, sorry, di ko kayo makita.
Hindi kita.
Si Roy din. So thank you. And yun, follow nyo kami sa socials namin. And abangan nyo yung mga susunod naming gigs. Meron kami may mga gigs kami sa South upcoming next week.
Follow na lang nila tayo.
Follow nyo na lang
Check
kami.
nyo, check
Tapos
nyo.
nandun yung posters.
Check nyo, homework yan, homework.
Oo.
Also, if you guys want, we have merch as well.
Yes.
Stickers, ganon, photo cards, and also caps. So kung trip nyo, after habang nagsiset up later yung next band, check out nyo. Pero yun.
And yun, of course, we'd like to thank Eton City. Palakpakan natin yung Eton City. Thank you so much for having us. It's our first time here. Napaka-peaceful nung venue. Parang sarap maglakad. Alam mo yun, parang mahilig kami maglakad din MSets. Parang kanina umiikot na kami. Tapos parang pinigilan namin sarili namin. Pero grabe yung vibes dito sa Eton City. So thank you so much for having us, Eton City. Thank you so much sa management namin, sa Soupstar. So palakpakan din natin ang Soupstar. Kung wala sila, wala kami. So ayun, sila yung mga namin, mga parang parents na rin namin dito sa music. So pati na rin sa Redlines Productions. Ayun, palakpakan natin ang buong team ng Redlines. Thank you so much, guys. The most hardworking teams ang Soupstar, Redlines. Pati na rin yung record label namin, Universal Records. And sila Sir Abbott. Sir Abbott, thank you so much. Kita-kits po ulit sa 24. Magsa-celebrate ang Moonstar 88 ng 25 years of Torete. So very, very grand celebration and sobrang honor na in-invite kami mag-perform. So kung pupunta kayo, kung nasa Metro Manila kayo ng 24, this coming 24th, we encourage you, invite you to come. Kung may mga kakilala kayo, sabihan nyo sila. Bulangan nyo na, sabihin nyo, uy, Better Days, tsaka Hey June, tutugtog kasama ng Moonstar. So ayun, palag ko lang. Thank you din kay Sam, Aaron, and kay Ma'am Jude. Thank you so much sa Eton. Pati na rin kay Sir MJ and security. Thank you so much. We're down to our last song. And for this one's titled Nararamdaman. Gusto ko lang i-invite yung vocalist kanina ng The Vows ay Orbit, Mika. Hello. Ayan, so yung acoustic version ng song na to, dun sa EP na nirelease namin, sa Hilom EP, last 2023, sa recording kasama si Ate Nika. So, bihira namin to gawin. Sa ngayon, mabibilang mo pa lang pa rin sa daliri yung ilang times na nag-perform kami magkasama. So, sana ma-enjoy nyo. Nararamdaman, this one goes out for lahat dito ng may feelings. Siyempre, baka naman dito may walang feelings. Good luck na lang. Pero ayun, this is Nararamdaman and hope you guys enjoy.
Ipikit mo na ang iyong mga mata. Iwanan mo na ang lahat ng iyong kaba. Andito na ako, wag ka sabay ng musika nararamdaman, 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 oh, nararamdaman. Mga bulong ng hangin na sakit humanabi, kasabay na iyong tinig na sakit bumabaliw. Ang takbo ng oras, sing bilis ng sandali, walang maiiwan pagdating ng hating gabi. Nararamdaman, 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 oh, nararamdaman, nararamdaman, oh, nararamdaman, ano, nararamdaman, oh, nararamdaman. Nararamdaman, 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 oh, nararamdaman.
Thank you so much. Once again, we're Better Days. That's Nims. I'm Nigel. That's Nika. And thank you so much for being here. And stream our EP, What Comes After. Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you.
Bangan niyo yung Hey June tsaka Grace Note.